Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a promotion on LinkedIn and create a job promotion post. Whether you've just received a new role at your current company or want to share your career milestone with your network, this guide will walk you through both updating your profile and announcing your promotion to your connections. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account if you manage multiple profiles. After logging in, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage. Look to the left side of your screen where you'll see your profile picture and name. Click on your profile to access your full LinkedIn page. This is where all your professional information is displayed and where we'll be making the first set of changes. Now scroll down through your profile tab until you find the section labeled Experience. This is where all your current and past job roles are listed. You'll notice a small plus icon right next to the word Experience. Click on this plus icon, and from the options that appear, select Add Role. This allows you to add a new position at your existing company without removing your current one, which is exactly what we need for a promotion. A form will now appear where you can input the details of your new role. Start by entering your new title in the appropriate field. Next, select your employment type, whether it's full-time, part-time, contract, or another option. Then, input the name of your company or organization. Since this is a promotion within the same company, the name should match your existing role. Here's an important step. You'll see two checkboxes. First, check the box that says, I am currently working in this role. This indicates that this is your active position. Then check the second box that says, End current position as of now. This will automatically close out your previous role and transition you into the new one seamlessly on your profile. Next, input the start date of your new role. This should reflect when your promotion officially began. Then add your location and select the location type, whether it's on-site, remote, or hybrid. If you'd like, you can also add a description of your new responsibilities and achievements in this role. This helps your connections understand what your promotion entails. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your profile will now reflect your promotion, with your previous role archived under the same company. Now, let's share the exciting news with your network. Go back to the LinkedIn homepage by clicking the home icon at the top of the page. Once you're there, you'll see a box at the top that says Start a Post. Click on it to begin creating your announcement. In the post creation window, look for the option that says Celebrate an Occasion and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select a new position. This template is specifically designed for job promotions and career updates. You'll now have the option to add a photo to your post. Choose an image that represents your new role or simply a professional photo of yourself, then click Next. Now it's time to write your promotion post. Share your excitement, thank your team or mentors, and explain what your new role involves. Keep it professional yet personal, and make sure it reflects your voice. Once you're happy with your post, click Post. Your announcement will now be visible to your connections, and you'll likely receive congratulations and engagement from your network. And that's it. You've successfully updated your LinkedIn profile with your promotion and shared the news with your professional community. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.